are shaking. I can see you coming and I stand here waiting. Yeah, I get tongue-tied in the conversation. It's an effed up F6 situation. I tried to tie my heart down, board up all the windows. Oh, but it's too late now. I let you get too close. I know I should take cover, hide inside these four walls, but baby, I surrender it all. 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so pull me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. Baby, you're a force of nature. I feel your lips moving and they take me under. You know just what to do, how to make me want you.